We are pulling out of the drive, about to hop on the highway here. About a 2.5 hour drive north. Get to Suburban's house this evening. Gonna load down the boat, maybe pack up the cooler real quick and catch you guys along the way. Might just touch base with you guys in the morning. Either way, we're gonna get a little bit of this drive encapsulated for you guys. Stay tuned, enjoy the ride. Can't see me, so I'm gonna keep this on the road. We're about 12, 13 minutes out from Nick's, up here in northern Illinois. Tomorrow, Big Lake. First time for us hitting the Big Lake ever on a boat. We've obviously been up here, done a perch fishing trip a couple times. And Sean and I have made our way up here a couple times, try to get on some fish. Nonetheless, hopefully we can get on a little bit of a mixed bag. Well, we've made it to the Suburban compound.
Yes, we're here once again with Midwest Boys Outdoors and Suburban Angling. Got the boat here behind me, and we're gonna spend the next hour that we don't want to spend because we're tired and we've been working all day. But we're gonna get the boat prepped and hit Lake Michigan tomorrow for you guys, and hopefully bang out some coho, salmon, smallmouth, and whatever else bites.
What's going on, you guys? A little bit loud probably here. We'll throw on the chest mics here after a few. Just wanted to shoot a short intro. Beautiful skyline behind me. We are on Lake Michigan. We got the boat launched, as you guys will see. We're trying to get on a little mixed species bag. We got some cranks tied up, some of that new Great Lakes Finesse. You guys stay tuned. Let's get on.
4 pounder.
Good fish, bro. Right here to me. Look at him. Bro, yeah, these things are fucking different. He's a dog, bro. His lips different and everything.
Yeah, they're not the same. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. All right, folks. Out here on Lake Michigan, throwing that new Great Lakes Finesse small little paddle tail bait. First one I've caught on it, and it's an absolute monster right there. That fish is definitely over 4 pounds, probably close to 5. That's the first one I've caught on that thing. An absolute unit. We're gonna put her on the scale and get her back. All right, folks. First smallmouth on my new Great Lakes Finesse swim bait. We're gonna get a release, 4.5 pounds. You need the net? Yeah, you need the net.
I don't know.
Look, the camera on the corner of this thing. He's the way. I saw you set the hook like, oh, do I got one?
Yeah, I didn't think I did, bro.
Alright, let's take our time because we don't know how big it is. Oh, it's a good one. Do you see the drag a little bit maybe? Okay, you're good now. So watch out for the trolling motor too.
You're good. Get ready.
Dude.
Let's go, brother. That little Frischie's is down that mouth.
It's gone.
She gone.
Need to get him in. Ooh.
Town, Chi-town, baby.
Big Great Lakes, Smallmouth.
Yeah. Good one, bro. Good one. Not huge, but good. Let's go, you guys. Great Lakes, Smalley. Skyscrapers behind us.
Come on now, folks. Come on now, folks. We're having a time.
Look how thick they are, folks. I mean, just look at that. Thick. Thick. Give him a kiss. Yep, dude, that's a good one.
That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. Take one again.
Move these rods, move these rods. No, 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 no. Fuck that. Right here, right here, right here. Let's go! Move these rods, move these rods. Right here, right here, right here. Let's go! Bro!
What just happened? That's up.
Guys, look at that freaking smallmouth, y'all. Jesus.
We're having a time out here, folks. Struggled a bit in the morning, and if we're not talking to the camera too much, we're sorry, but we're kind of just enjoying our time together. And then when we catch a fish, we're just shooting the shits, enjoying it. We're trying to make sure we keep everything on camera, so we're trying to stay in front.
352.
The BB.
We've got a bag going right now, folks. I mean, just a beast.
He said
Great Lakes smallmouth.
He said Nick's bag.
All right, y'all. Downtown Chicago with the football. Alright, you guys, we made it back home. Unfortunately, didn't get much video coming out of the city last night. We were both pretty tired. It was about a 2.5 hour, 3 hour drive home for me. As you guys seen, we got on some fish. First time on the big lake on a boat. Can't wait to get back up there again. Suburban Angling, thanks again. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you like, subscribe, give us a follow, drop a comment, say what's up. We appreciate all of you.